Tell me, when will you be mine? Tell me quando, quando, quando we can share a love divine. Please don't make me wait again. When will you say yes to me? Tell me quando, quando, quando you mean happiness to me. Oh my love, please tell me when. Every moment's a day. Every day seems a time. Let me show you the way to a joy beyond compare. I can wait a moment more. Tell me quando, quando, quando say you adore. Darling, tell me when. Every moment's a day. Every day seems a lifetime. Let me show you the way to a joy beyond compare. Tell me quando, quando, quando say it's me that you adore. And then darling, tell me when. Oh my darling, tell me when. My darling, tell me when.
Beer back and no bridle. Like a mark out to a cowboy. 2 Mickey FM 96.9.
Peru, Peru, chupara, te vejo Ocean Ford on Commerce Street. Test drive the new Ford Ranger today. Ocean Ford, bringing you this news update.
In this update, more problems for Sky City. Union members who've just gone back to work after days of disruption caused by the fire at the under-construction convention centre are going on strike. Unite Union says 99% of its members voted to strike because they say their buildings are affected by smoke and they're concerned it's not safe. Unite Union's Joe Carolan says people are feeling ill. Some have passed out because of lingering smoke odours.
We had a report from our cashiers who are on main floor who are feeling dizzy. They're feeling a burning in their throat.
Sky City says it has had the air quality checked and WorkSafe has also checked the premises and they're confident it's safe to operate. Officials, meantime, are working to gradually reopen the roads around the stricken convention centre building, but reporter Juliet Sivitson says it could take several days before some of the roads are totally clear.
Generally, they're trying to reduce the overall footprint. They'll have a large crane that they're bringing in over the weekend, but they hope that will be gone by next week.
Outgoing Wellington Mayor Justin Lester says he owes it to the people who voted for him to call a recount. Lester has lodged a request with a district court judge for a recount of the mayoral votes. Mayor Andy Foster narrowly defeated Lester by 62 votes a couple of weeks ago. Lester says 302 partially informal votes weren't counted because voters filled them out incorrectly.
193 of those preference me, and that would be enough to swing the election result. It's up to the judge to determine whether they should be included.
Concern a lack of professionals could be working for a new independent water regulator. A standalone Crown entity has been set up to ensure all households and communities have access to safe, clean drinking water. The Water New Zealand's Chief Executive John Fallett says it'll be a specialist technical organisation, but he doesn't know if New Zealand has experts to fill a possible 150 jobs within 5 years. And the government wants to know if there's a better way to fund the Fire and Emergency Service. Internal Affairs Minister Tracy Martin announced a review in March. Since then, overseas models have been studied, but no preferred approach has been settled on. Consultation on ways to fund the organisation is now open, with submissions closing in February. That's news.
E te iwi e whai ake nei kona kōrero hākinakina.
In sport, rugby and Bay Plenty have beaten Hawke's Bay in the Mitre 10 Cup Championship final to earn promotion to the Premiership. In a real arm wrestle at Rotorua, Hawke's Bay scored the only try of the game, but the boot of Hollingshead kept Bay of Plenty ahead for the whole match. And in Rugby League, the Kiwis back three are relishing what will be their first test altogether against the Kangaroos in Wollongong tonight. The Warriors pairing of fullback Roger Tuivasa-Sheck and wing Ken Momalo will be joined by Broncos flyer Jermaine Isako at the back. Tuivasa-Sheck is looking forward to having two powerful runners either side of him.
We'll be able to offload the ball quite a bit, and Kenny's always keen to bust the door now, and you got Jermaine who's got some good skill on him, so looking forward to throwing the ball around, and hopefully we can try and penetrate the middle there.
And kick-off is at 10:10. Earlier, the Gillaroos beat the Kiwi Ferns in the women's test. The Kiwi Ferns much better in the second half, but not good enough, going down by 28-8. That's sport. I'm Tony Doe.
Holden Smart Buy. Future-proof the future with a brand new vehicle from Nicholson Autos.
Holden Smart Buy with guaranteed future value is the clever plan that makes car ownership easy. Guaranteed minimum buyback price. Enjoy the certainty of fixed payments at the end of the term. Keep it, trade it, or return it. Holden Smart Buy with guaranteed value, 3 years free scheduled servicing, and 10 years free mechanical protection. Find out more today at Nicholson Autos, 152 Commerce Street, or online at nickcars.co.nz.
Fitness Tūmeki are pumping the hottest fitness offers in town. For only $16.99 per week with no joining fees, you'll have unlimited access to all of the tools you need to get in shape, including every one of the TRX, Bootcamp and Box Fit classes. Be motivated and feel great. Come work out in a welcoming environment with awesome people. Search Fitness Tūmeki on Facebook and PM the team today.
Even when it's raining cats and dogs, it's still better than a backyard filling with scat and logs. Call 0800 Food Tank to prevent a mishap. Brown Freight Septic Tank Cleaning brings you this weather update.
Rima te pāmahana iti tēnei pōnā hei ngārangi whakatā a pōpō tonu te tirohanga ia he paki a tapupuhi te hau hai te rātapu anō he paki.
Fish been a bit sad after a slow day on the way? Then park up the boat and enjoy food and fish stories at the Whakatane Sport Fishing Club. Great menu, best views and the biggest screen in Whakatane. They're also the ones bringing you this marine report.
Ngārangi e toru e hārea ke a rua te kautere te moana hai a pōpō tonu a ka noho rua te kautere te moana a tainoa tuki te rāhina ka heke ki te kaumārima tere te moana mai te māuru. Ki ngā tai, ka tibu te tai hei te rua te kaumārima meneti mai te kaumātahi karaka i tēnei pō.
Nā mihi ki te atua, iara, Tūmeke FM 96.9.
Te reo nei o